Alright guys, I hope you had a great spring break. I want to tell you a little bit about this last project that we're going to do. It's going to take us the rest of the school year. It's going to be pretty substantial here. We're going to branch out and do some creative writing. I told you after iStep was done that we would do some actual English stuff. So we're actually going to work on something that we can publish. Now, we might go down the road of publishing on like Lulu or something like that. Or we might just publish it for ourselves here. We're going to kind of define that as we go. The scope of the project's actually quite open. We're going to do a full writing piece here. Plan, draft, revise, edit, publish. I'm looking for something substantial. 4 to 8 pages of writing. If it takes a little more than that, fine. 4 pages is the minimum. And again, we're working on this for the next 6 weeks, so I think we should be able to crank this out. So I've got some ideas here for you. You could work with the idea of memoir. Memoir is talking about a specific time in life. It's not giving me, hey, I was born on this day at this time to these people, all the way through I'm a sophomore in Mrs. Ingles' English 10 class. It's specific incidences. So I give you some examples of each category here. It could be fantasy. This is where you use your imagination. Fan fiction. For example, if you take characters or a scene in a story that you really like, take something from someone else's story and make it your own. So you're not going to retell exactly someone's story, but for example, I don't like how Catching Fire ends and how Mockingjay goes. I would start with the scene where Peeta is captured by the Capitol and rewrite it to go from there. I would totally rewrite how things go. Verse. I'm going to be giving you an example of how you might write a verse story. Realistic fiction, anything that could actually happen, or really anything in between. Guys, this is a creative writing project, and you don't have to have an imagination to write creatively. If you're not sure, pitch me an idea. We'll see how it goes. I don't have a lot of restrictions, except that it must be somewhat school appropriate. You know, the occasional profanity, while I'm not a fan, shouldn't dominate the piece. Keep it on the cleaner side of things, but I just use your best judgment. If there's romance, allude to the romance, but don't get graphic. This is not a trashy romance novel sort of story. Chances are, if you think it's inappropriate, it's inappropriate. Reach out to me with specific questions, and have fun. I want you to enjoy writing something that you're willing to share with me and perhaps the world. So here's the schedule. This week, April 13th through the 17th, we're going to be brainstorming 2 topics. How would you develop it? What would you do? And there's a tab under the e-learning tab in OneNote that's going to talk about, it's called Writing Brainstorm. You're going to choose, eventually you're going to get to a point where you choose a topic that we're going to start writing next week. But I want 2 solid ideas pitched. Let me know when it's ready for me to give you feedback. So by the end of the week, submit 2 ideas and ultimately choose one to develop through publishing. Now, if you don't have 2 ideas and you're solid on one, fine. Okay? The week after that, April 20th through the 17th or 27th, we're going to begin drafting. We're going to get words down on paper. I'm looking for about half of your work to be done in this process. So I'm going to be sharing my work with you as you go. It's going to be under the e-learning tab. There's going to be a model page where I'm going to be modeling each one of these steps for you, and you're actually going to be seeing my work as I go. Week after that, we're going to finish drafting it. We're going to get, I'm looking for you to turn in a draft at the end of this week. By May 1st, I'm looking for a draft of your paper. You're going to be giving me the link, and that's going to be in OneNote as well. So I can really access your paper at any time and check in and see how we're doing. May 4th through the 8th, we're going to revise and edit these things. We're going to be revising our own work. You know, hey, what's incomplete, what's well done. Reading our own stuff, making changes. You're also going to be sending it to 2 other people for feedback. We're going to document that. I'm going to provide videos of all of this along the way, guys. This is just the overview of the project. We're going to, the week after that, we're going to finish our revisions, we're going to finish publishing, and we're going to begin the publishing process. You're at a minimum going to do a voice recording of your piece. So Screencast-O-Matic, the way we did when we did the poetry project, where you just have your work on the screen, and I simply want you to read it to me. Only I'm going to be listening to it, so it's not like I'm going to put it out on my YouTube channel for you guys. The last week we're going to be reflecting on the year. It's going to be a learning or a under the e-learning tab, end of the year reflection. We're just going to reflect on the school year. We had crazy school year this year, and so I just want to spend some time reflecting with you on it. I'm going to be modeling every step of the way. I'm going to be posting all kinds of videos to help with lots of things. So guys, if you have questions, reach out to me here. I'm happy to help. But that's the overview of the project. This is posted in OneNote for you. So get busy, get your ideas submitted by the end of the week. Thanks, guys.